What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about some very amazing crypto news with Shiba, and I think this is gonna set up the future. You guys know I've been covering every single thing about Shiba, and I'm so excited. I'm so passionate about this project, and the news I'm telling you today is it's awesome. Shibaswap is here, so let's talk about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. I'm doing a Shib giveaway for $2,000, as well as if you don't know which ones to invest in, like which coins, there's hundreds of coins every single day that are coming out. You don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is join my chat down below. I do all the work for you. I find all the good coins that have potential to 10, 20, 30x. I mean, yesterday I called out a 10x on a coin that hasn't even released yet. If you would have got in, you would have been at a 10x, and then it launches tomorrow. Like, I'm calling out coins every single day that have potential to just skyrocket. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to take crypto serious, join up. I also have to say that I'm making my own coin. You're right, my own coin, and it's coming out within the next week, and we have so much stuff lined up for it that all my chat members are getting in for absolutely no cost. You just get in the chat and you're in early, so you're at the bottom. Imagine getting in Shib at the bottom or something. You would be rich right now. You know, you have nothing to worry about because you can't lose money. So if that's something that you're interested in, join up. I'm only doing it for the people in the chat, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Let's get into this video. So we have some crazy Shiba news that I've been waiting to talk about. I told you guys a couple of videos ago I had some crazy news. I was just waiting for it to come out true. It came out. The audit is done. Shibaswap is ready to go. They're just waiting to get the green light. You can see on screen right here one of the devs talking about it. I mean, this is literally all we were waiting for, guys, was this just green light, ready to go. You guys don't understand how big Shibaswap can get. This is one of the best looking, best features of any meme coin I've seen so far. It defeats Hawk. It defeats anything that I've seen with any staking, swapping, any type of feature. And I'm really excited for this. And I think that this is going to have tremendous value for this coin. If you don't know what a swap is, basically think about Pancake Swap or, you know, Uniswap, the stuff that you do to use and buy like meme coins and stuff. That's pretty much what this is. You could trade Shib with it. You could do all this stuff. You could stake it. You have the bone, you have the leash in there, and like, it's just crazy. Like, they have some crazy stuff in the pipeline, and but waiting to talk about this, I'm excited to announce that this is probably about to come out in the next week or two. They're just waiting for this green light, which is the final stage, guys. We're literally here. So if you're literally excited for this, you gotta leave a like. You gotta leave a like on the video, because I'm literally so ecstatic. You can tell in my face, like, I've been waiting for this for the longest time. I started my channel with this, so just for us to get to this point now where it's finally getting released after delay after delay after delay, it is very, very special. Now, I gotta give you guys one little tip. There's a lot of scams out there with like these airdrops or whatever. I've been getting a ton of comments and a ton of like people on Twitter saying this, that, and the third. Just be careful. Don't give anybody your wallet or any like Shib information. I don't want you guys to lose your Shib. But I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you excited? What do you think is gonna happen when Shibaswap releases? I think that we're gonna moon. Personally, I think it's gonna go crazy. And you didn't see my last video about Elon Musk? Crazy news. You gotta go check that out. Anyways, leave a like on the video, share it around with your friends, spread the word. I'm gonna do a live stream in I think a day or something. I'm getting all my stuff set up now to where we could talk about Shib for a couple hours, and I could just connect with you guys and we could just, you know, vibe or whatever. So look out for that. I love you all so much. Check out my Discord. Like I said, I'm literally giving you a coin that can literally go crazy, and we're doing it every single day. Even if it's not my group, you need to join one group. I will tell you, it's way better than doing it by yourself, because you get different opinions. Some people are smarter than others. Some people know, like, oh, that coin's not good. I looked at the chart. I looked at the back end. It doesn't make sense. That's probably a scam. You need a community around you. So if it's not my group, join some other group. I really recommend you guys to do that if you're trying to take this serious. And keep in mind, Shib's a long-term play, right? There's so many plays out there that you guys are missing out on if you're just focused on Shib. I'm finding Shib type coins every single day. So I'll see you on the site. I love you all so much. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.